ओम नमो भगवते श्रीरमणाय। श्री अरुणगिरिपादतलदी भक्तियली अर्पिसलु योग्यविदूयनुवरीतियली ಬೆಳಗುವಂತಿ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಣ ಶ್ರೀಮಾಲೆ ಕೃಪೆ ಮಾಡು ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ನೀನೆಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೃಪೆ ಮಾಡು ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ನೀನೆಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ. On behalf of Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning, I welcome you all to this valedictory program of the Ramana Balakendra Summer Camp 2021 and the Natyopasana Bharatanatyam Workshop. Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning is an institution, an organization working in the field of Indian art, culture and heritage from the past 40 years. This year is a very special year because we are celebrating 40 plus years of Ramananjali music, which started during the birth centenary of Bhagavan Ramana. This year we are also celebrating 40 years of Ramana Balakendra, the center's work with children, and it is also celebrating Ramananjali Nritya, the dance to these Ramananjali songs, and the Ramana Way, the monthly journal of Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning. We are very happy to have this year's summer camp, which we are going to begin with the shlokas presented by the participants of the summer camp. This will be followed by the music presentation and the dance presentations by the children. We start the presentation with Pranav reciting the shloka on Guru.
Namo Ramana, I am Pranav. We will start the presentation with Guru Sloka. Dakshinamurti Saramba Shankaracharya Madhyamam Ramanacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam Vande Guru Paramparam Vande Guru Paramparam.
Next we have Pavan.
Namo Ramana, my name is Pawan Simha and I am going to tell a shloka on Lord Ganesha, who is cool as the moon. Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyahe Sarva Vignopashantaye.
We have Aradhya.
Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyaye Sarva Vignopashantaye.
We move on to Shivani.
Namo Ramana, my name is Shivani. I am going to tell the shloka of Lord Shiva. Amritam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Sarvavanayam Ahayam Chandranaradi Tam Namah Satvikam Shivam.
We have Rakshit.
Namo Ramana, my name is Rakshit. I'm going to chant a sloga. Angikam bhuvanam yasya vachikam sarvavagmayam aharya chandrataradi tam namah satvikam shivam. Thank you.
We have Renisha.
I am going to present a shloka on Arunachala, who is the hill of light and knowledge. Arunachala Rupena Parinama Upagatam Tejomaya Parabrahma Jnanaya Mama Jayata.
Thank you. We have Sai Pravalika.
Today I am going to present a sloka on Surya Deva. Jepa Kusuma Sankasham Kashapeyam Mahadutam Tamoram Sarva Papagnam Pranatosmi Divakaram.
Brinda.
I
am going to say Japa Kusuma Sankasham. Japa Kusuma Sankasham Kashyapeyam Mahadritim Tamorim Sarva Papagnam Pranatosvi Divakaram.
Shrija.
Today I am going to present a shloka from Bhagavad Gita. Aham Vaishvanaro Bhutva Praninaam Dehamashritah Pranapana Samayuktah Pachamyannam Chaturvidam.
Samudyata.
I am going to recite Bhagavad Gita. Aham Vaishvanaro Bhutva Praninam Dehamashritah Pranapana Samayuktah Pachamyannam Chaturvidham. Ahamatma Gudakesha Sarvabhutashayastitah Ahamadishcha Madhyam cha Bhutanam Anta eva cha.
We have Kritika.
Today I'm gonna sing Upadesha Sara. Karturagnaya prapyate palam karma kim param karma tajjadam kritimaho dadao patana karanam phalamashashvatam gati nirodhakam ishwarapitam nechayakritam chitta shodhakam mukti sadhakam.
Thank you, everyone. The summer camps that was conducted was based on a methodology called Theatre Arts for Holistic Development, where the different tools of theatre, the music, dance, drama, storytelling, and art and craft was used to bring out the holistic development of children. And the theme chosen for this camp was Ramana Prabha, the light within. That's why we saw the shlokas which emphasized on the presence of light in the sun and the moon and the stars and the fire. And the very same light which lights everything, lights each one of us, is available in each one of us as the God's power and shines as the light of awareness and shines as I. And Ramana, who is the essence of Indian culture and heritage, has come into our lives and is reminding us there is this great light within you. There is this Atma Surya which is ever shining. Satyamangalam Venkatramaiah sings of this light as the Kalai Patu, the Suprabhata song, the song of dawn. The English translation of this will be presented by the children. We start the Dawn is Rising song by Aradhya.
Dawn is rising on Aruna hill, sweet Ramanakam Arunachalatam. In the bush the koyal sing, Yea master Namanakam. Lot of knowledge come.
Next we have Rakshit.
Dawn is rising on Haruna hill, sweet Ramanakam Arunachalakam. Dawn is rising on Haruna hill, sweet Ramanakam Arunachalakam. In the bush the koyal sings, Dear Master Ramanakam. In the bush the koyal sings, Dear Master Ramanakam. Lord of knowledge come, Lord of knowledge come.
Samudyata.
Dawn is rising on Aruna hill, sweet Ramanakam Arunachalakam. Dawn is rising on Aruna hill, sweet Ramanakam Arunachalakam. In the bush the koyal sing, Dear Master Ramanakam. In the bush the koyal sings, Dear Master Ramanakam. The conch blows, the stars are dim, sweet Ramanakam. Lord God of gods come. The conch blows, the stars are dim, sweet Ramanakam. Lord God of gods come. The cocks crow, the birds chirp, it is already time. Come, come,
The darkness has fled. Come, come.
Shivani.
Moon is rising on Aruna hill. Sweet Ramana, come Arunachala. Conch blows, the stars are dim. Sweet Ramana, come. Lord God of gods, come. Conch blows, the birds are dim. It's his already time. Come, come. The darkness has fled. Come, come.
We have the next stanza sung by Pranav.
Dawn is rising on Aruna hill. Sweet Ramana, come Arunachalakam. The trumpet blows, the drums beat. Gold guide Ramanakam. The crows call, it is morn. Snake dead Lord, come, come. Blue-throated Lord, come, come.
That was the song of Dawn by Satyamangalam Venkatramayar. Many devotees and saints and Ramana himself has composed many songs, and they sing the glory of Ramana, who is the self, who is the dear one in every one of us. And when we remember him, when we meditate on him, then all our fears, all our worries vanish. So sings Shuddhananda Bharati in this song. This will be presented by Hritika, the first part.
Ramana, Ramana, Ramana. Ramana, Ramana, Ramana. Ramana, Ramana, Ramana. Ramana, Ramana, Ramana. ಹರನೆ ಗುಹನೆ ವರನೆ ಪಾಲಿಸೋ ಪಾವನ ಚರಣ ತಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತಿರೆ ಏನೋ ಕಾಂತಿ ನಿರ್ಮಲ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತ ಶಾಂತಿ ರಮಣ 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 ರಮಣ.
We have Shrija continuing this.
ಕರುಣಾಲಯನೇ ಶರಣು ಅರುಣಾಚಲನೇ ಶರಣು ಜಗಕ್ಕೆ ತೋರಿದೆ ನೀನು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ರಮಣ 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 ರಮಣ.
We move on to Rinisha for the last part of Ramana Ramana Ramana.
ಪ್ರಭು ವೆಂಕಟನೇ ಶರಣು ಸಂಕಟಹರನೇ ಶರಣು ಗುಹನನು ಕಾಣದ ಭಕ್ತರಿಗೆ ಇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುವ ದೈವವು ನೀನೆ ರಮಣ 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 ರಮಣ.
We have a song written by Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi himself, and the Kannada translation of this has been done by Dr. N.S. Lakshmi Narayana Bhatta. This will be presented by Giara.
ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ. ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನನು ನೆನೆವರ ಹಮ್ಮನು ಪರಿಹರಿಸುವೆ ನೀ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ. ಅಳಗು ಸುಂದರರ ತೆರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೆರೆಯಬಲ್ಲೆವೆ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Sai Pravadika.
ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ. ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನನು ನೆನೆವರೆ ಹಮ್ಮನು ಪರಿಹರಿಸುವೆ ನೀ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ. ಅಳಗು ಸುಂದರರ ತರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೆರೆಯಬಲ್ಲೆವು ಅರುಣಾಚಲ. ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल.
We have Vrinda telling the same Arunachal Shiva.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala. ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನನು ನೆನೆವರ ಹಮ್ಮನು ಪರಿಹರಿಸುವೆನಿ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ. ಅಳಗು ಸುಂದರರ ತೆರೆಯಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಯಬಲ್ಲೆವೆ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ.
We have Pavan.
ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ. ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನೆನೆವರ ಹಮ್ಮನು ಪರಿಹರಿಸುವೆನಿ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ. ಅಳಗು ಸುಂದರರ ತೆರೆದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೆರೆಯಬಲ್ಲೆವೆ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ. ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ ಶಿವ ಅರುಣಾಚಲ.
We move on to the story and the dance presentations. We present to you a special song from our dance ballet Ramana Leela, where we are celebrating the coming of light, coming of Ramana as the world teacher, as the guru who destroys all ignorance and destroys all darkness by his light of knowledge. We begin the presentation by Shivani, who is going to tell us the place of Ramana's birth and his parents.
Ramana Tata was born in Tiruchuri. His mother's name was Alagamma. His father's name was Sundara Ayya.
ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಳಗು ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸುಂದರ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನವಳ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ 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 ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಳಗು ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸುಂದರ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನವಳ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ 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 ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Sai Pravalika presenting the light which is coming as Ramana, as the son of Alagammal and Sundaramaya.
Ramana Tata was born in the month of December during Margazhi festival. It was also Christmas week. Also, Arudra Darshana was happening.
Pavan telling us more and dancing to this song.
Namo Ramana. Ramana Tata was born on Anugra Darshana Day in Tiruchuli. On that day, every gods come near to Shiva to see the Tandava dance. Shiva will come to earth as a huge column of light.
ಬಂದಿದೆ 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 ಅರುಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಶಿವನ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಕರುಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ರಮಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ 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 ಅರುಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಶಿವನ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಕರುಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ರಮಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ 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 ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Shrija, who will tell us what happened when Ramana was
When
born.
Ramana Tata was born, a blind lady who was helping Alagamal said, "Light, light, I see light. This is not an ordinary child, it is a light of God."
ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ ತಾನಾಗಿ ನಿಂದಿದೆ ಎದೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ ತಾನಾಗಿ ನಿಂದಿದೆ ಎದೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ ಶಾರದೆಯ ಹರಸಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
The last part will be done by Renisha, where the world is celebrating Christmas, the Margali, the festival of Arudra Darshana. At that time, a blind lady seeing the light and everybody rejoicing this light. Renisha?
ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ ತಾನಾಗಿ ನಿಂದಿದೆ ಎದೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ ತಾನಾಗಿ ನಿಂದಿದೆ ಎದೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ ಶಾರದೆಯ ಹರಸಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
When the light comes, we all learned that when there is light, there is no fear. When there is darkness, we are afraid of the unknown. We don't know what is going to happen. So there is a lot of fear and anxiety. But when there is light, there is clarity. There is no fear. That is what we learn through various stories. And we celebrate the coming of light again by the little toddlers. We start with Rakshit, starting the first part of welcoming the light.
ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಳವು ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸುಂದರ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ ರಮಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ 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 ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅಳಗು ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸುಂದರ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ರಮಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Next we have Giara.
ಬಂದಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅಳಗು ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸುಂದರ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ರಮಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅಳಗು ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸುಂದರ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ರಮಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
What is that light? That is the light of knowledge. That is the light of Arunachala. And that is the light of Shiva. We present the second part. Okay, is Ritika ready?
ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅರುಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಶಿವನ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಕರುಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ರಮಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅರುಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಶಿವನ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಕರುಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ರಮಣ ಬೆಳಕು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Samudyata and later by Vrinda. Samudyata, are you ready?
ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ತಂದಿದೆ, ತಾನಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ, ಎದೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ತಂದಿದೆ, ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ, ತಾನಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ, ಎದೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ, ಶಾರದೆಯ ಹರಸಿದೆ, ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Vrinda, are you ready?
ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ, ತಾನಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ, ಎದೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ತಂದಿದೆ, ಆನಂದವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದೆ, ತಾನಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದೆ, ಎದೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ, ಶಾರದೆಯ ಹರಸಿದೆ, ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
We also had an art and craft section where the children learned how to do some little art and craft on the theme light and the various sources of light. We present to you a short video which depicts the few works which are done by the teacher and the students.
ನಮೋ 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 ರಮಣ ಸದಾಶಿವ ಪ್ರಭಾವರಣ ನಮೋ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನಿಷ್ಠ ಸಮದರ್ಶಿ ಸೂರ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ಪ್ರಭಾ सुधा चंद्र प्रभा सहस्र तारा प्रभा सकलानल प्रभा सर्वोत्तम सन्मंगल सकल जीवकोटि प्रभा ओम श्री रमण प्रभा श्री रमण प्रभा
We move on to the next part of the performance by the Junior Natyopasana Bharatanatyam camp. They're going to present a song, Guru Ramana Shiva by Sadhu Om Swami. And while presenting the song, they meditate on the origin of dance and they tell us the purpose of dance. We start the first part by Ritika.
Long time back, at the end of Satya Yuga and at the beginning of Treta Yuga, people became greedy and they started quarreling each other. So Indra and other gods went to Lord Brahma and they prayed him to give something which is entertaining and which will make everyone happy.
Yes, and the result of which was the dance.
Guru Ramana Shiva, ನೀ ತೊರು ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಲವ. ಗುರು ರಮಣ ಶಿವ, ನೀ ತೊರು ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಲವ. ಗುರು ರಮಣ ಶಿವ, ನೀ ತೊರು ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಲವ. ರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಗಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವಿನಲಿ ನಲಿವಿನಲಿ ರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಗಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋವಿನಲಿ ನಲಿವಿನಲಿ ಜನನ ಮರಣಗಳ ನಡುವಿನಲಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಲಿನ್ಯ ಜಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನೊಂದು ಹೋಗಿರುವುದು ನನ್ನ ಮನ, ನೊಂದು ಹೋಗಿರುವುದು ನನ್ನ ಮನ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡೋ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನ. ಗುರು ರಮಣ ಶಿವ, ನೀ ತೋರು ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಲವ.
We move on to the next performer, Sai Pravadikar.
So Brahma felt people are sad because they were not able to understand Vedas. So he took Jagrahapatyam Rigveda. He took the text from Rigveda. Samabhyo Sangeetamivacha. He took the music from Samaveda. Yajurveda Abhinayat. He took the Abhinaya expressions from Yajurveda. And Rasamabhyo Atharvanavabi. He took the emotions from Atharva Veda, and he formed a new Veda called Natya Veda. Now,
the next part will be presented by Kushagri.
Indra and all the other gods went to Lord Brahma and told him that the world is filled with adharma and people are sad. Please save us. Please create something which is entertaining and we can gain knowledge from it. Then Brahma Jagraya Patya Rigvedat Samapyo Sangeetamevacham Yajurvedat Abhinayan Rasan Adharvanadapi.
Guru Ramana Shiva, ni toru nannalli olava. ಭಯಗೊಂಡ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಅಭಯವತ ಅಂತರಂಗದ ಶುಚಿಯತ ಭಯಗೊಂಡ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಅಭಯವತ ಅಂತರಂಗದ ಶುಚಿಯತ ಆಸೆಯ ಬಲೆಯ ಇರುಳಲಿ ತೊಡಲಿಯ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು ಅರುಣಾಚಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂದ ಪುನೀತನೇ ಅರುಣಾಚಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂದ ಪುನೀತನೇ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯ ಪಥದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ನಡೆಸು ಗುರು ರಮಣ ಶಿವ ನೀ ಕರುಣನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಲವ ಗುರು ರಮಣ ಶಿವ ನೀ ತೋರು ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಲವ.
Rimisha.
After the Natya Veda was created by Brahma, Indra and other gods said they were not capable of learning this. So Brahma called his son Bharata Muni and gave the Natya Veda to him. Bharata Muni wrote the Natya Shastra and taught the dance to his 100 children. In this way, the dance was created. The purpose of dance is to understand the essence of Vedas, which says, know yourself, then you will be happy all the time.
ಭಯಗೊಂಡ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಅಭಯವತ ಅಂತರಂಗದ ಶುಚಿಯತ ಭಯಗೊಂಡ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಅಭಯವತ ಅಂತರಂಗದ ಶುಚಿಯತ ಆಸೆಯ ಬಲೆಯ ಇರುಳಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿದ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು ಅರುಣಾಚಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂದ ಪುನೀತನೇ ಅರುಣಾಚಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂದ ಪುನೀತನೇ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯ ಪಥದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀ ನಡೆಸು ಗುರು ರಮಣ ಶಿವ ನೀ ತರುಣನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಲವ ಗುರು ರಮಣ ಶಿವ ನೀ ತರುಣನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಲವ.
We move on to the next set of presentations by the seniors from the Natyopasana Bharatanatyam workshop. I will give the stage to the seniors to introduce themselves and the item and perform their part of the dance.
Namo Ramana, myself Uma Shripati. As part of the presentation from Natyopasana Bharatanatyam workshop 2021, we are presenting Akriti from Ramana Pada Pancharatnam, written by Sri Shiva Prakasham Pillai. Shiva Prakasham Pillai was among the foremost disciples who received the instruction of self-enquiry in 1901 from Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. He then compiled the answers received by Ramana in the famous booklet called Who Am I? Later, Shiva Prakasham Pillai composed a poem called Ramana Padamalai in gratitude and devotion to the Sadguru Ramana. This has been set as Ramana Pada Pancharatnam, a unique musical piece which has been composed by Srimati Sulochana Natarajan. On the lines of Saint Tyagaraja's Pancharatna Kritis, Srimati Sulochana Natarajan has carefully selected the verses from Padamalai and set the ragas of Natai, Gaula, Arabi, Varali and Sri Raga, which are same as Tyagaraja Pancharatnam. Today we will be presenting the Ramana Pada Pancharatnam in Arabhi Raga Aditala.
Namo Ramana. This is Ashwini Balaji. Ramanan Padam Valgave. Praise to Ramana's feet. Glory to be Ramana's feet. Make one pointed the dissipated mind, says he, the embodied supreme. Praise to be his feet. One pointedness is an aid to self-abidance, says he. Praise to Ramana's feet. Ramanan Padam Valgave.
Ramanan Padam Valgave.
Namo Ramana. My name is Pooja. In the part of Ramanapada Pancharatnam presented by me, Shiva Prakasham Pedalai says, ever free, blemishless, the Supreme One. The glory be to Ramana's feet.
My name is Sindhu. In this part of Ramanapada Pancharatnam, presented by me, Shiva Prakasham Pillai says, the universe is God's body, he says, the ever-attained one. Praise be to his feet. Destruction of desire is knowledge, he says. The preceptor's feet be praised.
My name is Hashmita. In the part of Ramanapada Pancharatnam presented by me, Shiva Prakasham Pillai says, if I rises, others rise, says he, long live his feet. If I subsides, all else subsides, says our friend, long live his feet.
In the part of the Ramanapada Pancharatnam I am presenting, Shiva Prakasham Pillai says, The humbler we are, the greater the good. So saying he is humble, glory to his feet. Stay away from the business of others, says he, our well-wisher, glory to his feet.
Namo Ramana, myself Sahana, in the part of Ramana Pada Pancharatnam presented by me, Shiva Prakasham Pillai says, know everything to be divine will, says he, long live his feet. Perceive the world as a merry dream, says the silent one, long live his feet.
My name is Vallabh. In the part of Ramana Pada Pancharatnam presented by me, Shiva Prakasham Pillai says, Father, Creator, Supreme, Sage, Poet, Adept, God, Eternal, Dancing Lord, Beloved, glory to his feet.
இறைவன் மாதவன் புலவன் வித்தகன் தேவன் அனந்தன் சிலம்பன் ஆக்கன் பாதம் வாழ்கவே. அனந்தன் சிலம்பன் ஆக்கன் பாதம் வாழ்கவே.
Namo Ramana. I am Vincent Paul. I will be presenting the last part of Ramana Pada Pancharatnam in Raga Arabi. In this portion, Sri Shiva Prakasham Pillai says, what you give to others is what you give yourself. May the Supreme One's feet praised. He says, give your wandering mind to God. Give God your wandering mind, says Shiva Prakasham Pillai. And he says, let his feet, the Supreme One's feet, be praised. I'll be presenting the last portion.
அலையும் மனதை என்று இசை போன் பாதம் வாழ்கவே இறைவர்க்கு அலையும் மனதை என்று இசை போன் பாதம் வாழ்கவே ரமணன் பாதம் வாழ்கவே ரமணன் பாதம் வாழ்கவே ரமணன் பாதம் வாழ்கவே ரமணன் பாதம் வாழ்கவே.
Before we move ahead, I would invite our chief guest, Dr. Kalarani Rangaswamy, to speak a few words. Before that, a short introduction to Kalarani Rangaswamy Akka, whom we dearly call as Kala Akka from Madurai. Kala Akka also, with her husband Rangaswamy uncle, have been an active part of the Ramana Mandiram Madurai, and Kala Akka is also a board member of Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi Research Center. We are very happy to have Kala Akka with us. I request her to please speak a few words and bless all the little artists of today's program.
Om Namo Bhagavate Sri Ramanaya. Thank you for the nice words, Ujjwal. I feel really happy with you all on this valedictory program of Ramana Balakendra Summer Camp 2021 and Natya Vasana Bharatanatyam Camp. Throughout the program, I was really enjoying, and Rangaswamy was also enjoying the program. And we were very happy to see the tiny tots, right from the prayer song, and how they expressed the light that was shining outside and which also shines within. And it's a very great thing about the teachers who are inculcating this particular message inside these tiny tots. I'm really happy. Hats off to the teachers who train them, and the parents. We must appreciate the parents at this time who are encouraging them. That's a great thing. And I'm pretty sure that the students of Balakendra and the children who perform today are really blessed, because by doing this, they are made connected to Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning, which means connection with the ultimate, the Almighty. And children here, why I'm telling you this, the children here are not only learn the art from Balakendra, but the very purpose of learning the art. They learn what is the purpose of learning the art, because the concentration that is needed for dancing, the coordination of the whole body, right from the head to the foot, helps the children to concentrate in doing their meditation, yoga, dhyana. And when it is learned at this tender age, the mind will be filled with love for others. And they will learn to lead the life selfless. And they will learn to be kind to all, because they will be trained to see Brahman in all, which is said by Bhagavan as the best way to lead the life. I once again thank Dr. Sharada, President RMCL, and Ujjwal Jagadish for giving me this excellent opportunity to be part of this Ramana Prabha. It was really Ramana Prabha, and to be with these young budding artists and bless them. And I really enjoyed the Ramanapada Pancharatna by Shivaprakasham Pillai, by the seniors, Vincent expressing himself. It was really good. And Uma Ashwini, I need not say, beautiful. It was very nice. And let Bhagwan bless us to be in this light, and that is shining with us every time. It's always shining, and let us be part of that light. Once again, thank Ujjwal. Thank you so much. Om Namo Bhagavate Sri Ramanaya.
Namo Ramana Akka, thank you very much. I request Dr. Sharda Akka, the President of Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning, to share a few words and bless the artists.
Namo Ramana. I prostrate to Ramana, shining as the self, the light in all beings, and the light which is pervading everybody. It was a great joy to see every one of you who were all presenting things so beautifully, the little ones and the seniors as well, of course. For the seniors also, I am very happy that you have been a part of this event along with the children, because we are all children at heart, and it's never that we are too senior to participate along with the youngsters. That's also very beautiful. And every part of the presentation was beautiful. The shlokas were said very clearly, and with a lot of, the diction was very correct, and then the songs were sung tunefully, and the arts and crafts were very creative. There were a lot of thought had gone into the different ways, so we could see how light is present everywhere, because the sun was made from so many materials. So everything is light, we could see that, right? And I'm sure that when all of you heard the shlokas, when you heard the songs, when you understood it within, then you can ask yourself one question, one little question. Inside me, there is one light, because of which when teacher tells me something, I am able to understand, isn't it? Every one of you understood. When you heard a shloka, did you not all understand? That's why you were able to repeat. Outside, we can see so many things. You are seeing that now all of you are watching a computer or your phone. On that there are so many pictures, and you are able to see all of that because there is light outside. But what do? We don't think about the light much. We only think about all we are seeing. We don't think about the light at all. Oh, we don't say thank you light for making me able to see all this. Similarly, light of God is within us. Okay, and because of the light of God within us, we are able to see things in us. We are able to understand when teacher tells us something, when mother and father tell us something, and when we are saying something, we know I am saying this shloka now. I am dancing, I am singing. All that light within you reveals to you, and it's very beautiful that all of you, somewhere you have made one small connect to that light within, because that light is very loving. And like Amma and Appa in our lives, like our parents, whenever we say hello light, whenever we turn to it and say, oh, you are here, it is, what does it do? Some of you said dance that bandi de, no? We said tabbi de. All, it's hugging, it's just hugging me, that light. Okay, so that light is just hugging us from everywhere and from inside also. It's all the time actually telling us, you're very dear, you're very sweet, you're very beautiful. That light is only telling every one of us. That's what Ramana says. Ramanatata also says that. That's why all of us like ourselves so much. We like ourselves so much. And that's why everyone also likes us, because that light within us is all the time saying we are beautiful, we are good, we are loving, all that light is telling. I'm very happy that all of you participated in the summer camp and did so beautifully. By that power, all of you did so beautifully. And my thanks to all the parents, as Kalarani had said, that because she can see the Natya in all the aspects and also see the Adhara of the light because of her background, as Ujjwal had introduced, at the Ramana Kendra Delhi and Ramana Kendra Madurai, and her background in dance, and she's one of the pioneers in Ramananjali Nritya. Ujjwal had interviewed her for our magazine, The Ramana Way, and she's one of the pioneers, so very, very happy that the first event that we are having in connection with the Ramananjali Natya has Dr. Kalarani as our chief guest. Though she is one of the governing body members from the research center, so that she has been the chief guest today is a great blessing from Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. I am very happy that Sri Nagaraj Upadhyaya and Leela Madam would be present, and that Rupashri was also present. It's a great blessing to the children that such seniors are present and they see and bless the children. Ujjwal is of course a child to Nagaraj Upadhyaya and Leela Madam, and he is their very invaluable gift to Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning. So I am always grateful to both of them, and every one of you, all the seniors of course performed very beautifully. There is no doubt about that. It could not have been otherwise. If it was otherwise, then I would have had to say something about it. Had you not performed well, then I would have wondered, why is it so? But of course, it is like that, and that is the heart slowly comes into us, and it becomes everything for us in life. So once again, my congratulations to every one of the teachers, to Sapna Ganesh for dealing with the shlokas, teaching the children the shlokas, for Uma Shripati for teaching them crafts, for Srimati V. Radha for the music, and for Ujjwal Jagadish for handling the dance drama portion in the Bala Kendra, and of course in the Natyopasana he has dealt with the Ramanan Padam Vargave, the choreography in his own unique manner of being linked with the subject of self-awareness. Once again, my very best wishes to all of you, every one of you who participated. And as Dr. Kalarani said, that this is a very beautiful beginning for those of you who have come for the first time. It's a starting of a link with a great understanding in your life. So I do hope the parents will continue to have the association with Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning and its activities in whichever way it is possible. And in spite of all the handicaps of the present situation, I think we have been greatly blessed by the Supreme One that we could have this camp and that it has turned out so very beautifully. Om Namo Bhagavate Shri Ramana.
Thank you, Akka. I welcome you all to be associated with our center in many ways. This time is a very special summer camp. We have been conducting summer camps for hundreds of children physically at our Ramana Maharshi Heritage Center at Sanjay Nagar. This time it was online, and through the online classes, we were able to get students, some from Chennai and some from Madurai and various parts of Bangalore who could not travel to Sanjay Nagar, but they have been able to be a part of this workshop and summer camp and are being able to associate with us. We continue this association. We are planning to have the Ramana Bala Kendra class every weekend, 1 hour in every weekend. I request all of you to be a part of this classes too and be associated with our center.
Congratulations, ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂತು. ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಹೆಸರು ತಕ್ಕೋ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾರದಾ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ
ಮುಂದೆ ವರ್ಷ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
And Ujjwal, wonderful job. Kids have really learned a lot from you. Especially Sindhu antu, she is something a new learning for her. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ರಮಣ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂಥರ ಈ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ ನನಗೂ ಒಂಥರ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ದೇ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಈ ತರ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಗಳು ಆಗಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್.
Usually it was very nice. You did very good. It is a feast of my eyes. Actually, I was waiting from morning. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆನೆ ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇವ್ರದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾಳೆ ತನಕ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. So I wanted to enjoy with your group. So I stayed here.
Yeah, Karna also, he just came from the office. So he joined.
ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚೆನೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
Summer camp usually ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ he's been attending. That's what I said. Correct ಆಗಿ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ. It was supposed to start and he came.
So every year we wait for this. This for all of us.
I would like to thank and appreciate Ramana Bala Kendra, who approached us on the summer sessions of 2021 in the event of music, shloka, art and dance. It was really a wonderful time the children had spent. And I will thank all the teachers and the entire team of Ramana Bala Kendra who guided them and motivated them in the right path at this time of pandemic situation. Once again, thanks to everyone, the entire team. Hoping to see more in the near future. Thank you.
Namo Ramana. I am Uma Shriram, parent of Antara Shriram. It was an online summer camp. Which helped us connect to them in spite of being out of the country. She learnt a dance for one of Ramana Pada Pancharatnam, a beautifully choreographed dance which not only helped improve her dancing skills but also got her more closer to Ramana. What more could one ask for? I wish the team all the success and waiting for more such opportunities. Thank you.
And we will conclude with the finishing shloka. I request all of you to fold your hands and close your eyes. Apar satchit sukhavari rashehe yasyormi matram bhuvanam samastam guhahitam tam ramanam gabhiram chintavihinam hridi chintayami. Om Namo Bhagavate Shri Ramanaya.